Hi, my name is Tara Smith, and I'm a full-time faculty member in the nursing program at Westmoreland County Community College. And I'm so happy that you're taking the time to watch this video and learn more about our program. Nursing is an amazing career choice. In general, nurses have a strong background in science, are good communicators, and good problem solvers. There are many different paths that nurses can take today. Nurses can work with different patient populations, with people who are sick, people who are healthy, in areas such as technology, nursing research, or education. And those are truly just a few of the options. If you're a high school student interested in attending nursing school, you'll want to make sure that you're taking a high school biology course, high school algebra, and also chemistry. You're also going to want to make sure that you complete these courses with a C grade or better. But what I'm really excited to do is tell you about our nursing program here at Westmoreland County Community College. One of the great things about our program is that students start clinical in their very first semester. So what this means is that within a few weeks of starting nursing school, our students are in the hospital on clinical units, interacting with patients and practicing their skills. In addition to this, we expose students to a number of different healthcare facilities within the area. At our school, we also offer high fidelity simulation. So we have a really state of the art simulation lab. We have mannequins in our lab that are high fidelity. They breathe, their hearts beat, they talk, and believe it or not, we even have one mannequin that gives birth. Our simulation lab is a great environment for our students to practice their skills in a really safe and supportive place. Another great aspect of our nursing program is our small class sizes. So this gives students a great opportunity to really connect with the faculty as well as their peers. If students need flexibility, we offer an evening option, and our full nursing program is also offered at our Indiana campus. In our nursing program, we have many opportunities for students to engage and really become involved. We have a very active chapter of SNAP, which is the Student Nurses Association of Pennsylvania, and students who are eligible and meet the criteria are invited to join our Nursing Honor Society. Many of our students take advantage of one or both of these opportunities. Both of the organizations offer many opportunities for networking, and volunteer opportunities to make a difference in our community. Finally, the majority of our graduates, of our students, are actually offered employment prior to graduation. So on graduation day, our graduates literally have a job waiting for them, which is excellent. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to speaking with and meeting many of you soon.